Well, I think this might be the last YouTube video for a little bit. I've been getting too much fame, I guess you'd say. I've been getting stopped out in public, just too much. So today, we're doing trim the easy way. We're gonna be working. Don't spend 30 bucks on a piece of trim that's cardboard. Buy one bias. Paint them puppies, it's gonna look good, I promise. Or have your wife do it, way easier. Doors count as trim. Make sure you paint them, don't leave them in primer from the store. You gross lady. I don't like painting doors, so I'm gonna try to make it as easy as possible by taking them off the hinges. It sucks painting doors, but it sucks even more painting doors that are on hinges. Take them off, it'll make your life way easier. Hey, you're this far into it, you're painting new trim, you might as well paint the old. And here's a good trick I showed you earlier with the wife. Way easier if you just have them do it. Now, the only drawback to taking doors off to paint them is you have to put doors back on. Not a problem though, they came off easy enough. Now, as far as your trim goes, we're not doing any 45s, we're just doing everything in nice straight lines. Measure from the top of the door down to the floor, and just know you can't put too many finished nails in it. Now, on top of your doors, you want about 1.5 inches on either side. I think it looks good, especially if you're not doing 45s. Now, why am I doing doors first? Well, you can't do your base trim until you do your doors. Base trim comes after doors, so you have to make sure that all your doors are done before you proceed on any base trim. In an old house, you might come up on a spot where your door's straight, but the wall's not. So what you want to do is scribe the back side of it. All you do is flip it over, take it out to a saw, rip it down. And just like that. Look, oh man, looking good. You know what? I'm gonna finish this whole door out right there. Look at that. See, it was real quick. What are you worried about? Now, same deal. Sometimes walls are a little out, so your trim might bubble out in the spot. On your minor spots, that's where you want to get old trusty out. Yes, your wife, have her caulk it out. Now, who's to say who actually creates the messes? In my opinion, it's the both of us. But she's a good wife, so she's gonna make sure she takes care of it. And make sure you're cleaning this up as you go. If you let it dry, it's gonna be hell to get it back off there. Put it on there. I got my mark, right? It's right in line with that. I cut right here. Boom, I cut it, I got my piece, I slap it in there, got a little gap. Not a big deal, not a big deal. And then you paint right over that puppy. Not a problem. I'll make this as simple as possible. You just butt it up on your corner. You're not gonna worry about a 45. All we're doing is straight cuts. Piece is cut. Hold like crazy, but we're gonna work it out with finished nails. All right, so let's run it back. First, you wanna make sure you paint your doors. You wanna do your door trim. Then you can start in on your base trim. When you do your base trim, all you have to do is put your board up there, mark it on the point that it's gonna go to, cut her off. Bring it back, nail it in, caulk it. Once it's nailed, don't caulk it beforehand. I've done that a couple times. And just like that, you are a trim master. Well, not really, you're not even doing 45s. But this is a way you can do it where you don't even have to know how to read a tape measure. Shoot, I'm supposed to do the thing right here. Okay, I'm gonna do it in reverse.